come on my page and you feel I have said something, I have done something, that you have another word, that you have another type of say for it, all I will plead with you is for you to bring those facts that you think is alternative to what I have in here. Mommy, as someone me can potoka say no more and say, me page you see, me twist you say me the no crano ne be adwuma. Enu nti se oba me page you so. Na me can bibi. Na se wo de wo gidi pa say the American e try enye didi atem. These days I am catch them say me mean didi atem yo. Me try bibre say mean didi atem. Nembom mama ye nyina nkan hu ni se oba me page so na se wodwene se the American no sebe mprebiasa enye no kra the amesre wa ne se wo de na wo se ye no kra no fabra na wo so fa be kire ye se aboa chinchine wo se den wo asansa wo yo se den wo fa de a wo de kire se woni mpefe wo wadwene ne adwene ne bibi ekura wo mu se asem a wo ka no ye no kra wo fact e ukura ne ye no kra e ya fabra se wo be gina ho na lep se wo oboa o e no oboa de se de menua raskoto kay no endra me no e wo mi page so e me inbox and tokasa. If you think what I'm saying no enye papa ma wa mesrew ana say the American enye no kra the awo se enye no kra no mi page so utum post no be e ready bi mama sa chance ne sa makakura po say oh say wo the office say wo no wo ye obi a wo ye communicator oh boy we do oboa ne say mo kan no mama me chance a me disprove no oh page wo no waba oba political zone for beje ofefefe chebadru betwa watum ukura book me kura me book obi ekura the cross check obi ekura the sources oka na maka etiefo na yeden etiefo na check it etiefo ne check na wo de ne na ya no say kwesi sa da ni na wo da yen na me lose my credibility so wo so de ne na ye tra na odi wani wo eko na kakra wo besua an ha no odi akokọ kire den odi akọkire unua no enti no maka ne sa wie no na me de asidama ye eni nchiakese ekoma His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo, the President of Ghana, the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. Bema unsince humans waham Mr. Interchange. Yes, Mr. Interchange. Anopa we ye chiao. Baby I will be Mr. One District, One Factory. Ye chiao. Baby I will be when we yere Mama Becky ye chiamo. Mr. Planting for Food and Jobs ye chiamo. Mr. Over 10,000 kilometers of Ghana road, precise with a real breakdown. And yet we have constructed 87% in Green Book. There be 10,000 and over. We salute you, sir, this morning. Mr. Your birthday brought victory to Ghana in Nigeria under a hostile environment. And none of pay Oba, Kwesiapia, Canada, Bichiao. We a brave warrior. We a sensible president. We a correct president. We should have let you come 2008 to continue the good works of President Akufo. Ghana wouldn't have been where we are by now. Ghana would have been extended and extended to a bigger and a better place than what we are seeing today. But with all the adversities, with all the things you are facing, you have shown that you are a prudent leader. You have shown that you are a correct leader. You have shown that your brain works. You have shown that whatever you put in place, you have agendas for them. And for that, God bless you and give you long life. Happy birthday again. Happy birthday again. I wish a time will come where we can celebrate you like how we celebrate Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, like how we celebrate all the greats that we've had. For you have brought a new type of relief to Ghana politics. You have showed us, say, Titina, and a docono the same, and then toast board the same, and Rauko just unya pan latoe. They say, cry the pan lana ya crying, I buy name because I buy no or bonam. I buy no bonam, I bind it to me bonam the tupu muntino, or could just know when yapan la, I buy or call ye sika kwasa, I buy na nyadi, I buy na nkosheka ku, amakekwan ba market so. Satete politics no. That's it. So we'll be safe. When you go on shroud, when you office for Macas. Sorry, Mofanchame. Macas, my daddy. That is my daddy right there. Very bright man. Very bright man. Anytime I see this man, that like I get this hope I get this sensation, say, indeed, Ghana will work. I get this belief, say, indeed, Ghana will get somewhere. And I thank God for his life, you know. But my kind of say, you know, now, I feel, the waistcoat of Ghana politics. Yeah, His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. I'm patching on a picture of Fatu Omayena. Let people see the man behind Nana Akufo Addo making sure say they are steering Ghana in the right direction. Despite the adversities, like I said, despite the challenges, despite all the things that is being thrown at us, these two gentlemen has been exceptional. Eti Minchia Etoso Ekoma, the vice president of our country. I hope the future hopes that he holds the mantle after Akufo Addo, His Excellency Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, the economic man, the digitization guru, the we shall give your house a number guru, Mr. Data-driven economy, data-driven country. We love you so much, Your Excellency, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, you and your staff and your beautiful wife, Hajia Samira Bawumia. We appreciate you. Oh, wow. What a gentleman. What a gentleman. Say, we love you, Mr. Bawumia. Yedawase say, one be pesemin kuminya. Na one science one me media me baba yen hwehwanimu. Nembum dia o papa ana ura o president kabiano o sma wo awoko na ukodi suma no. Excellency, michia osabre, onyankopon enhia wone ufiefo. US na me sa akoba.
Ika ko Virginia uko siasa kurasi ni Kevin Taylor na me nam ho. Bodamfo bayi na me nam ho. Now the office of Kwama. Kopa ti aso fashion 5th gear. Na kosa bodamfo bayi. Ko weni mu sa kurasi ni ba. Ko weni mu sa mi ane pe. Na enye den ya petrol esa. Petrol di guke mu esa. Na ebe hwe how we will refuel it. Mr. Boyo, go on again, please.
I don't make sure say Sabano woni bibia aka
No.
Owo bibia ade him me say owo bibia wono ana ahye Ghana fo ebu ono ana aka kire say the president of Republic of Ghana the birthday or the evidence ba Yedi nyamidi strano on for evidence in mbra twano so am for evidence na mba enye nipa na awo no
Of course. You know you're getting
more until bia more on they hear ne say broni bodamfo bra date no aka few days bra president birthday president what say evidence nini no why president naked picture no di agu abonte na wo so naked picture wo ho na enu ewiase obi ahun say